Right, let's cut across to Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, who's talking about deaths which took place during the second wave, the COVID deaths. Take a listen. So essentially, Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia essentially was talking about COVID deaths, and he was also talking about how the government has, in fact, the centre has not bothered about shortage of oxygen nor the number of deaths which have been linked to the oxygen crisis. Those were some of the strong words which came in from Sisodia just a short while back. He's also, of course, said that the union government has not sent any request asking about the deaths due to oxygen crisis. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman for more. Ayushman, first of all, take us through some of the main allegations levelled by Manish Sisodia, the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister now. And this is, of course, going to be put in context to the fact that government sources had recently said that despite asking, the state governments have in fact not given any details of any deaths taking place due to oxygen crisis.
Well, Tanima, if you see, we have already been told that a few of these states, in fact 13 of them, have already sent the details that there has been no death due to oxygen. And from Punjab, there are 14 deaths which have been there in suspected categories. So the union government has clearly said that they have asked for details of particular details of oxygen deaths. But here Manish Sisodia has clearly said that the union government has not sent any request on the oxygen deaths due to shortage of oxygen. They formed an inquiry also, and this was cancelled by the LG, is what Manish Sisodia is claiming here. And more importantly, Tanima, here he has been clear that if there is a third wave, there can be deaths due to oxygen shortage, and the government has to work towards that. But the shocking claim that Mr. Sisodia is making here is the fact that they have got no letter from the centre asking for the detailed death that have taken place due to shortage of oxygen, while the central government has clearly said that there has been a letter written to the states categorically asking about deaths due to lack of oxygen, and they have also started to get the replies. And in fact, only 4 days are now left, about 3 days are now left for the states to respond on the deaths due to lack of oxygen.
That's right. The deadline for submitting responses is on August 13th. That's what the government has said, at the same time maintaining, as Ayushman had reported, that the centre is in fact saying that very few states, barely a handful of states have replied. And out of that, only one state actually said that, Punjab had said that 4 deaths are suspected to be oxygen crisis linked. Otherwise, no states have given any data yet regarding oxygen crisis triggered deaths during the second wave. While the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister there clearly levelling allegations saying that the centre had not even asked for it, and that there was no setup actually prepared ahead of the third wave even to look into this issue.